Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to talk about the System.io affiliate program and how you can make your first $100. So first you have to understand System.io platform. So make sure before you promote this product, before you join their affiliate program, you understand what they're doing, what tools they have, what are their features, what they're promoting. Because if you know what they're doing, what products they're promoting, what features they have, then it's just the fact that you understand the product you're promoting can really increase the chance of you making more money. So that's super important. Please understand and read about and understand what you're promoting. Also use this product, sign up for an account and start creating sales funnels. Learn how to create email marketing, design a web builder, just test all the products. And then what you have to do after you test all the product, now what comes into place is how can I make any commissions? How can I make money with this this affiliate program? Now there's different methods I'm going to share with you. First method, what you can do is to use TikTok. So you can create content that's in the same niche, that's about sales funnels, email marketing, website builder, that is about business automation. And now just remember to create content around this platform. And definitely you can make sales, but how? Now you add at the end of your TikTok, make sure you mention that they should check out like your affiliate link. And now your affiliate links looks pretty complicated. So to fix this problem, promote, you see this affiliate link, it's really complicated. You can use Bitly. And here what you can do is just to create a new link, and you can click now on you can copy this affiliate link. Here just enter your affiliate link and title. You can write system.io, click on create now. Okay, so apparently I already have another one. So now you will paste this in your description of your video, of your TikTok. And you also add at the end, you can write, check this link or search for this link, and you'll be able to find, and then you mention they can find a different good platform where they can, build send email marketing, build websites. So, and they will have to type, the website, but it's not really complicated because it's really shortened. So another way is to actually build buy a domain. You can use name cheap, I think it's called, and you can buy a domain. But another way now to promote, you can also use YouTube, and you can create tutorials about, I think, creating YouTube videos, and building a YouTube channel. I think that's one of the best way, because once you create a video, then your video stays there, is available, and will be available, and you'll get commissions. You just have to create tutorials about how you can build a landing page that's related, that's surrounded, so it's surrounding this what is about, or is about like building websites, what System.io features has. You can create videos about them. You can create videos on how to also compare clicks, funnels versus System.io, compare other similar products with System.io. And if you want, you can say in your video, if you want to create your sales funnel, you can use System.io. You can check my affiliate link in the description of this video, something like this. and you can create tutorials about send marketing emails about sales funnels. You can create tutorials and videos about sales funnel, affiliate marketing, business automation, web builder. Just create a lot of videos, and it's gonna take a lot of time to not only build your YouTube channel, and you can also reach 1K subscribers and 4K watch time, and then you can be accepted and either accept your partnership, and then you can make money with YouTube. But it's just gonna take time to reach that level. It's not easy, it's kind of hard. This is just an idea. This is just a strategy where you have to implement the strategies in order to make any money. But I hope this strategy is helpful. I hope you find this helpful, but it's all about implementing and being consistent. And another thing that you can use is, and now you can just write generate some topics related to email marketing, right? And for my YouTube channel, let's say like this. And YouTube's gonna help ChatGPT is gonna help you to generate some ideas. So there's always new content you can create about funnels, about building a website, and then you can leave your affiliate link in the description of your video. And it's something that you can, once you create a video, then you can just leave your video there and it won't have any problems. So it's really, once you create a video there, then that video can generate commissions, right? So, and remember, you gotta do the work. It just takes time to build a YouTube channel and then see any commissions. So it's not easy. Also, learning other things about email marketing can also help you. So you can leverage other skills, other aspects, other facets, but like other parts of email marketing, right? Because it's really important to study and learn more and just create content, and that's gonna lead to commissions, right? But you just have to be consistent, and it's just gonna take time. That's something you have to remember. Also, if you decide to go with TikTok, remember TikTok is also a great way to promote this affiliate program and other affiliate programs as well. You have to create content related to this platform, and you can create tips and tricks. You can also look on TikTok, and there's so much content you can learn from, and you can just learn from what they're doing, and it's actually working, and then just add your own spin to it, your own creativity, and create that type of content. You can create tips. How you can also write to ChatGPT, write some ideas for my TikTok account, just for a short video. How about that? How about that? Write some ideas, certainly quick tips. You can create tips, you can create behind the scenes, your daily life days. No, not really. Tutorials you can create, like show people how to create a landing page, and generally like things that are like quick tips, because you can show this in 50 seconds. And make sure you can use CapCut, because it's a great way to edit your videos. You can also show, like if it's behind the scenes, you can show your laptop and your screen, like the process to create a landing page. And then at the end, you can just mention that if you want more and if you want to work with this platform, you can not click, because you can't click, but make sure you can say there, make sure you write, you check my website, and they will have to click to write your bit.ly link or website, your URL in their website, in their search bar. And a lot of people are doing this. Actually, they're really interested. I know it's like a kind of a hassle, to kind of annoying, you have to write the URL manually, but they will, and because they're interested. So now it depends on how interested they are to to search more about the platform that you're mentioning in your video. So I really hope you found my video helpful. Thank you so much for watching. And if you have any questions, leave your questions down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.